Right. Now I want to create one simple project, Spring Starter project with STS. File, new, Spring Starter project. The basic coordinates of Spring Starter project, same as the previous. Spring JPA demo, instead of that Spring Web demo 01. 2, 3, 4 comes later. Maven project, jar, Java 8, Java, com.rebel, SpringBoot, web demo, fine, everything is fine. Here, demo project for Spring Web, com.rebel, everything is fine. Next, in this next screen, what do we discuss earlier? Choose the lowermost possible version. Now, at this point of time, I am not going to use any database related stuff, only web. So what can I do? I type web, everything will be filtered, whatever web is there, that comes forward, comes straight to the top. Spring Web. So Spring Web is the only thing sufficient for us. Spring Web. Next. Finish. Nothing else. So it takes little amount of time. See, it is 26%. It is taking time to download because first time I am downloading this version of a web application. Right, now project we got. Just you open the project. You can find directory structure of the project, and if you navigated to this Maven dependencies, you can find so many jar files you can find here. At the same time, see here Tomcat embedded. Please mark the version Tomcat embedded because we need to download something else related to this number after a while, not right now. Okay, Spring Web, all Spring related, core, context, right. Right, now we need to understand what we need to define here in this class, in this project, in order to accept the incoming request. Okay, right. Let us define a class here. src main Java, new Java class, which is going to receive incoming request. That kind of a class or classes are known as controllers. What they are called? Controllers. Controllers are responsible for accepting incoming request. So ideally the package name should be com.rebel.controller. Okay, then the class name is home controller or hello controller, that is up to you. Home controller or hello controller. Finish. This controller class will have a member method called public string. It is going to return a string, public string home. Okay, so let's return a string, return home. Return home. No, first let's not return anything. Let's make this a void method. Let us display this out. Okay. Right. Now we need to make this method, this class, to receive incoming request. How we can make it? You annotate this class with controller. @controller org.springframework.stereotypes. Controller. Now this class is able to access the incoming request, but whether which incoming request, which URL to which method, controller means the whole class. Each method in the controller is known as a generic name, action methods. A controller class can have ordinary methods, action methods. Ordinary methods means any other methods. Action methods means a specific method mapped with the URL. So now let us see what URL it's been mapped. @request mapping. With what request it is to be mapped? /home if someone called /home in the URL, this method should execute. Let us see if it is executing or not. We didn't do anything. Did we do any critical thing here? Nothing. Just simply we defined a class with a method, annotated the class with the controller, method with request mapping with particular URL. Okay. Now let us start the main class. This is the main class, Spring Boot application. Let us run this. Yeah, how do we run this? This is also small application only. Earlier, when you develop this MVC application with Spring, you have to run this as run on server option. You would have choose run on server. But here this is not server application. This is also standalone application. But as a result of running standalone application, it runs a web server internally. I'll show you. Takes little amount of time. See here, Tomcat started on localhost. The port number also you can find here somewhere. Wow, so much of information. Port number 8080. Sometime back I told context path. Did you remember context path? With the context path blank. There is no context path. Means localhost colon 8080. Localhost colon 8080. This application. And the URL. What is the URL? Home. Okay. Localhost colon 8080. 8080 or what? 8080 / home. Finish. Yeah. Let's go to the browser. http:// 8080 localhost colon 8080 / home. Enter. Oh, white label error. What's wrong? What's wrong? / home. Okay. Circular path reference. Sorry. Yeah. This home message printed. But why this whole error screen, error message? That is, it is expecting some view to be presented in the browser. Browser means here. It is expecting something to display here, but we failed here to give what to print. Okay, don't worry. We'll go ahead. Right now here another method let us define. Public. Yeah. Now before we are updating that, now you submit once again this home. Once again, what happened? This is the first message. Second message. Once again you submit, again this is executed. As many times the request submitted, as many times this method is executed. Got this? So for every execution, for every incoming request, this method is executed. Okay, right. Now the program is running in the background. The Tomcat is a server. It is separate kind of an application. It will be running continuously. Unless and until you stop it. See here, stop button. You have to stop this. You have to click here. Then and only then the application server, Tomcat, web server will be stopped here. Done. It is stopped. Once after it's been stopped, if you submitted this request, earlier white label error you got. That white label error is the error page given by Spring Boot Tomcat, embedded Tomcat. Okay, right. Now let's write one more method. Public void hello sysout hello. Public void hi sysout hi. Now let's map this each method to one of the URLs. Request mapping hello. Request mapping hi. Right. Let's rerun this program. Yeah, Tomcat started. Now /hello. Enter. Here you can find hello. Okay, means this method executed. Okay, if you give hi, what happened? This method, another method is executed. This hi message you can find in the console. Okay, right. So hope you understood how different URLs are connected, mapped with each of the methods that we defined in the controller. Am I clear? All right. And little more enhancement. For example, hi. After hi, I will give some values here. Hi. I will give my name. I will give the technology I am working with. So these two parameters are to be taken into a method mapped with hi. Along with hi, what you are giving? Slash, a name you are giving, or a technology you are giving. These two things are to be obtained. So here, this is within the braces, you give the placeholder name A. Another placeholder, let's give B. Now, string name, string technology. This name should get value from the placeholder A. This tech should get a value from the placeholder B. Okay. Right. So what you have to do here? @path variable A. Annotation, third level of annotation. Earlier class level annotation and then method level annotation. This is method argument level annotation. This is okay, right? Now string tech. From where the string text should get value? @path variable B. Now let us display hi. Sysout after hi plus name. Hope you are enjoying plus tech. Yes, it's true. I am enjoying technology. Okay, let's run this. But the format you remember, the format. Okay, right. Run as Spring Boot application. Go to the browser. You give Kishore Java. Enter. 404. I know it. 404. Hi Kishore. Hope you are enjoying Java. Now this time stopped showing errors because maybe it felt that this fellow will not recover debug. What is the point of showing errors? Let's stop. So I is a lowercase. Stop. Even I am surprising why it stopped. Error messages. Okay. So now whatever values you want, you may give here. Hi will not work. Only hi will not work because next to hello. Yeah. Okay. Because of path variable, it is hiding. It is controlling the errors. Okay. So this is the way how you can pass parameters in the path variable it is called. But here this is very anti-pattern of specifying the placeholder name. Do not give A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. You have to remember separately what is A, what is B, what is C. So that is inconvenient. So what do you do here? A instead of A, name only. What is the first argument? After the word hi, name comes. What is the second value comes? This is tech. This is convenient approach. So every time you need not to stop and run again. Just here, the top relaunch button is there at the top. See here, relaunch. Just in the below the menu bar, toolbar is there. Relaunch, green and red button is there. If you click that, application will be stopped and started again. Now Oh. Oh, path variable A. Okay, path variable name, path variable tech. But an advantage you have, whenever placeholder name is matching with the method argument, then this part you can remove. That I'll show. Right. Hi Satya, hope you are enjoying .NET. Yeah. Now, what I am telling here, the placeholder name is exactly matching the method argument. In that case, the path variable name, in the same way the other one also, the placeholder name is exactly matching with the method argument. In that case, this one, what? The argument to path variable you can remove. Still it works perfectly. Started, run. It's working smoothly. Okay? So this is simply what? Web application. Web application. There are no view, controller, nothing. Yeah, controller is there. There is no model, there is no view. Okay. Right. Now, let us slightly enhance this. Shall we enhance this or after a while? Yeah, fine.